Right then guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Dad Makes Dough. And in this video, this is my first Amazon FBA shipment. All used books. Many of these are picked up for free on Facebook Marketplace. I think there's about 6 of these that I've actually paid for. And I've got these on really short auctions on eBay, no bids, stuff like that. This is my first shipment of roughly about 40 items. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to put down how much I paid and the profits I've made. Stay tuned for the video. If you do want to stay up to date with all my content, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I've almost hit 200 subscribers. I've only been doing this a few months, so I'm super pumped about that. Subscribe, click that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload a new video. Let's get started. Right then guys, let's get started. So these are just some of the books. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but alright. So let's start this side. This was an eBay pickup. I got it on BidKit, I'll link it below. So it's a Oxford AQA history and it cost me £1.82 including shipping. That's £17.84 on Amazon FBA. So if you look below, just here, I'll put a calculation of how much profit I've made. Next one, gluten-free book. I got that for free, that's £12.99. Complete DIY manual. So I'll pick this up from the car boot sale. It cost me, I asked the guy how much he wanted for it. So I didn't actually scan it because I was a little bit nervous. It was like, I've only ever gone to car boots for reselling on eBay. So I've never actually been, scanning books and stuff like that. So what I did with this one was, I seen it and I walked away and I just checked the listings on Amazon. One of them, it was going for like £50. And I thought it was the same one. This is actually the first edition. The one that I was looking at was the second or third, but I picked it up first. I asked the guy how much he wanted for it and he said 50p, so I took it. I thought it was going to be a fail because it wasn't the correct book, but it still fetches about £18.94. All these sales ranks that are in this video, all these books are under 1 million. A lot of them are under 500k, so I'm just toying with the whole pricing to sales rank to how fast it sells, all that. I'm just learning. Any tips would be much appreciated down below. So next one, I've got vegetarian cookbook. Pick this up for free, £13.97. Pick this one up on eBay. It cost me £2.99 including shipping. No bids, I think, and it's £16.97. It's a health and student nurse book. This one free, the Sonoma Diet, £9.97. So I never really picked up fiction until I started collecting books. I popped an ad on Facebook and saying that I'll collect books. People are house parenting, moving out, stuff like that. They want to just get rid. So what I do with that is I get bundles and bundles of books. I'll bundle some up to put on eBay. I've got a couple that are up now. Other ones I'll scan through Music Magpie if they're going to be slow sellers on Amazon and eBay. Music Magpie, Zipit, all that. You can click my referral in the video, get an extra £5 if you want to do that on Music Magpie. So yeah, all the ones that were decent on Amazon FBA I've kept. All the ones that bundled up onto eBay, they've gone to eBay. Music Magpie, and this is what I get left with. All the books that I get left with that nobody wants, or the much harder, slow sellers, stuff like that. What I do with that is, I do car boot sales now, and I'll take loads. I think I've got about 15 boxes of books now, which I've all collected for free. And what I do is I'm going to take these to the car boot and do 3 for £1. Just clear my stock, make a couple of quid just to reinvest. Yeah. So yeah, next one. I've no clue what this is. It's a scientific diet book. That's £7.97. Pick that up for free. This one, eBay pickup. It cost me £2.99 including postage. It goes for £17.98. So that's children's learning and care development. So I've got, this one was free in a chess niche book collection, so that's £7.90. A lot of these are really high ranked, but a lot of them were very high priced, so I'm a little bit confused with that. Pick this one up on eBay for £3.12 including postage, and it goes for £14.99. Another free book, Great British Food Made Simple, £8.99. A lot of these are niche books, some more fiction, so I've got £9.90, that come in a free bundle. This come in a free bundle, that's £8.99. I picked this up on eBay again. So it's brand new and sealed, 50 Shades books, still in the wrapper. I picked this up on an eBay auction with 0 bids. It cost me £2.19 with postage, and that goes for £21.99. So I'm going to slap that on. Picked this up at the car boot. Not the biggest profits, not much made, a couple of quid there, but it cost me 99p, well a pound, and that's £7.99, so that's going up. This was free, £9.99 it goes for, dairy free book. I've noticed a lot of these dairy free and diet books do quite well. So I've got a baking bible, this was free, this is quite a good one, so this was £19.97, and it sells quite well. I've got another free book, Invasion 1940. I picked up a niche book and it was all about war, Nazis, stuff like that, so I picked those up, that's £8.99. The Nazi Hunters, part of the same free bundle, hardback, £7.96, picked that up for free. Another one, Killed in Cornwall, fiction, £5.97, but I paid nothing for it, so that's like £2 profit after fees. But I paid nothing for it, so I can't complain. Another free book, that's only £8.98 for hardback, but I also paid nothing for it. This one, part of the bundle, this was free, this goes for £12.89. It's English Electric Canberra. It's like warplanes and stuff like that. Some more cookbooks picked up for free. This one we were literally clearing out house, she was moving out, she had loads of cookbooks. I put an ad on Facebook to say I'll collect books for free, and I ended up coming away with this one. So that's Rick Stein's Istanbul Cookbook, £11.99. I know that is quite a good sales rank. Cupcakes, it's a tiny book and it goes for £12.99. It's got some nice pictures in there and stuff like that. £12.99, that's free. Baking Magic. This was, I actually picked this up at car boot for 50p. It only goes for £8.98, but it's still profiting, which I can't complain. Picked this up for free, Baking Made Easy, £7.99. This was part of the chess niche books. I got £7.70. Some of those actually did go to Music Magpie. I think I got about 50 quid. I got hundreds of chess books, and he dropped them off for me while I was at work, which was great. So this one, £8.99. The Hummingbird Cake Days, and that was free. This was quite good. So I picked up one. Some people going to university. They were in university in my hometown. They were moving back home, and they just needed to clear out these books. So they actually just boxed up loads of books for me. So I got this Douglas Adams, Mostly Brilliant. That was free. That goes to £12.98. Quite good condition as well. This one we're in it, a fiction, and it's quite a high price fiction. It's called The Goldfinch by Donna Tartt. That's £10.97. And these were the gold really. So I picked these up. They're quite high sales rank. They're in the million, about 1,200,000. But they've got good reviews and they're going for quite high. So some of these are going for like £70 each. But what I've done is I've pitched them down at about 50. So this one, £44.99, that's going up to FBA. And £49.99, this hardback Angelica book by Kelly Armstrong. I'm happy to wait for those, simply because I've paid nothing for them. Last two, so I've got Lord of the Rings, J.R.R. Tolkien, £14.49, that come in that bundle for free, and finally another fiction book for free, £5.98. So I'll total up everything below. Guys, so it's the next day now. As you can see in that previous video, that's £470 worth of stock going to Amazon FBA. Obviously that's gross. You got to take off your Amazon fees, how much I paid for the books and stuff like that. But you just got to think, all this, so that 470 minus your fees and stuff like that, it just goes to show that you do not need like a huge capital to build a business and to make money. Like literally 90% of those books that I've sent off, I got completely for free. So all the profit from that I make, which I can't really complain. So it's essentially making £500 out of nothing.
don't forget, stay subscribed for all my videos. Keep an eye out. I'm going to post some sales updates. I'll be posting some sales updates on my FBA. I'll also be posting some eBay sales updates as well. Maybe even a vlog, day in the life, I don't know, something like that. I've just been a normal dad, making money online. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, stay up to date with all my content. Check out all my social media links below, so that's my Instagram where I'm super active on there every day, as well as my blog. Don't forget about my blog. Probably going to be my next video, or I've got some video ideas in the pipeline. I'm also going to try and get into drop shipping and see what it's all about. I'll take the risk so you guys don't have to, and then you can see, you know, whether I profit or not from it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, stay up to date with all my videos. Cheers for watching.